Hey guys, it's Cal here in the rig. You know, several months ago, I was involved in a pass-around, pass-off of a very special razor that was being developed. And with my lifestyle, I'm out trucking, I'm only home for a day or two, and then I'm back out again. So I only had a chance to use the razor for one shave. And unfortunately, I forgot to hit the record button. Now, that project was delayed by several months, and I just learned recently that it's coming back out. So the footage that I do have is coming up, and then towards the or at the end, I'll give you my thoughts and opinions of the razor from what I remember. So stay tuned, and my apologies for I forgot to hit the record button, guys. Good afternoon, wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Kind of embarrassed about this. I was planning on doing a review of a new razor that the folks at Phoenix Shaving have come out with, but it hasn't arrived yet, so I don't know. I guess today on Cal Shaves, we're going to review my wife's Venus and Gillette Satin Care. Oh boy. What? Oh, thank God. There was no way I wanted to use that cartridge razor. So let me read to you from some of the information that Douglas sent along with this razor. The Cygnus has landed, Shave Cadets. Meet the Cygnus, a razor that bridges the past and future with style, efficiency, and just the right amount of rebellious charm. Inspired by the subtle, haunting elegance of the Mercure 1904 handle and the mysterious allure of the Mercure 71, the Cygnus is our tribute to vintage craftsmanship with a bold, contemporary twist and tweak. Made in the USA, it's not just a razor, it's a piece of history reimagined. The design. As a lifelong fan of the vintage German razor handles, I was always drawn to their Art Deco flair, balanced weight, and fulcrum. The only thing missing? A grippier surface, especially for shower shavers like me. Enter the Cygnus, longer, 3.5-inch, meatier, and crafted for the modern wet shaver with just the right amount of knurling. Thanks to the raw tellurium copper, it has what I call an Invisigrip. You'll swear it was coated. I extended the length of the cap so as to cover any blade tabs and flattened the blade posts in the same fashion as all our PAA razors. What's under the hood? Top cap and handle. Polished tellurium copper with a matte finish. No plating here, just raw copper that develops a rich, unique patina over time. Want to keep it shiny? A little copper polish does the trick. Base plate. FDA approved acetyl copolymer, an engineering plastic known for its durability, low moisture absorption, and chemical resistance. It's tough, stable, and built to withstand the rigors of daily shaving. I could have gone with Bakelite, but I thought about adding to the history of the design and taking it to the future. Then there's the, dare I say, sexy, luxurious chocolate color of the plate. Seriously, in combo with the copper, it is candy for the eyes. Nod to the past. The Mercure 71 is a razor shrouded in mystery. Likely born in the mid-20th century, but I suspect earlier, its exaggerated lather gutters and Bakelite base plate whisper of an era long gone, possibly shaped by wartime resourcefulness, at least in regard to the Bakelite model. Yep. They also offered a metal base plate at some time and multiple handles too. We've captured that spirit, blending it with modern materials and design tweaks for a razor that feels both timeless and cutting edge. Why the Cygnus Tellurium and Acetyl Hybrid Safety Razor? The name Cygnus is a multi-layered homage. It draws inspiration from Disney's sci-fi classic, The Black Hole, while also honoring the old-school Shavelandia tradition of naming razors after birds. Don't ask me why this became such a thing. But Cygnus isn't just a bird, it's the swan, a timeless symbol of grace and strength, much like this epic razor itself. For those in the know, There's also a playful tip of the hat to Mark Bolan, pun absolutely intended if you know you know, adding another layer of charm. The phrase Tellurium and acetal hybrid carries a delightfully retro sci-fi pulp vibe, perfectly aligned with the razors and our aesthetic. I like to think of it as a word collage, weaving together references to create a rich, thematic experience from the name to the design to the shave. Key features: made in the USA, weight of 4.3 ounces or 122 grams, machined, polished, and laser engraved, raw copper for the purists, exceptional grip with minimal knurling, balanced for precision and control. So guys, that'll wrap up my review of the new Cygnus from Phoenix Shaving. I don't know when it's coming out. I don't know how much it's going to retail for, but damn. I enjoyed using this for the first time. So we're going to get this packed up. And now it's off to Matthew Lawrence. Thanks, guys. You take care. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye. So, I'm sorry, that was supposed to be a 3-pass shave and thoughts and opinions at the time of the shave. Now, again, it has been probably, I think it was the end of March that I used that razor. And I don't specifically remember, but I do remember that I loved the weight. I loved the grip on it. It was just the hand feel. The shave itself was, if I remember correctly, like a medium, but it was smooth. It wasn't... It was very, very efficient. So just a wonderful razor to have used, and I know I've just since learned that it is going to be released very soon. So when it comes up, I don't know what the price point is going to be, but check it out. And hey guys, you know, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, flub ups and all. And thanks for watching, thanks for your subscriptions, and you guys take care. We'll see you in the next one when hopefully I remember to hit the record button.